Hello guys, this is SatchiScape. Welcome to my channel. Here I'm helping out to make website design and development skills. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that whenever I'm uploading the new videos, you will get notified every time. In addition to this video, I'm also providing the source code that I'm using so that you can use for your own projects. So guys, today's topic is called scroll to top button. What is scroll to top button? When you are going to down in the website, like in a footer sections, there one arrow will come. When you click that arrow, it will go to the top sections header. What the point is needed, because if you've seen in the website everything, you don't need to scroll to go to the header sections. There the button will be there. When you click that button, it will go to the top sections. Why is needed? Because you saw everything. You don't need to, if you don't need to saw anything in between the website, you can click that button, it will go to the up. Because now these days people are using the more friendly using it with the mobile and the system. So system, you don't need to scroll up, scroll down. It's like a user friendly. For that we need one button. When you click, when you are in a down, when you click that button, it will go to the top. So the topic is scroll to top button. So guys, to download the source code, you have to go some simple steps. First, you have to open my website called SatchiScape.com. Then you have to open the articles page. When you click the articles page, there you will see I have given lots of different articles. You have to select one article called scroll to top button, because we are going to explain about the scroll to top. So when you click the scroll to top button, you will open the details page. When you go to the details page, there itself you will see some description I have given about the articles and screenshot. You can see there, and even in the down I have given the button called download. When you click the download button, it will open in the Dropbox in a different external link. I have stored my file in a Dropbox. So you have to download the files and paste in your WAMP or JAM folder. When you paste the file in a WAMP and JAM folder, you have to access localhost / your file name. Like I've given scroll to top button, you can give anything. When you click that button, it will open your website and with a dummy content. When you go down, the arrow will come. So to see the articles, you have to open the folder and open in a text editor or Dreamweaver, whatever files you are using to edit the HTML. When you open this file, you have to open that folder and go to the index.html, like scroll to top button where I have given the articles. When you click in an editor, you will see the code there. So let's start with the flow, how to use this code. So guys, you can see the folder structure is like this. Here you can see the CSS folder. This one Bootstrap main, font awesome, and one custom CSS. Okay. Then here you can see the fonts folder. There I have implemented the font awesome files. Then here the images, I have implemented the logo, and this is the JS folder. Here you can see the several JS is there, which is related JS. Is if you are using the HTML, there is a relative JS needed, like Bootstrap main, respond, HTML5 sieve. These are jQuery mean JS is needed. If you are implementing slider, carousel, lots of JavaScript things, this is the supportive files is needed. Then you can see here, these are the fav icon, and this is the HTML. This HTML I have opened in Notepad++, whatever. If you are using any HTML editor, you can use the HTML editor. I am using Notepad++, so I am using this one. And for the CSS, I am going to open, this is SatchiScape CSS. This one I am going to open in same Notepad++. Okay. And in the browser, you can see this one, and this is the dummy content. Okay. And here you can see the articles I have given. And in the down you can see to see more articles. If you want to see more articles, you can click here, it will go to my articles page in the website. Then you can see one scroll down right side, see the orange color button will come. Okay, when you go down, this button will active. When you go up, is automatically hide it. See the function we can see when you click here, it will go to the up. Now this trend is going on in every websites, almost new trend websites, they are providing this technology called scroll to top button. Okay, so let's start the process and how it's implemented. Okay, so this is the code. You can see I have given this code with descriptions, what purpose we are using this code, like keywords, author, viewport, favicon, title, and this CSS. I've described everything for what purpose we are using. Okay, and in the down you can see this is the custom CSS where I've implemented my custom CSS, and in the down you can see this is the JavaScript and this is the code. Okay, so we'll go there. Here I've given just dummy, I've implemented to show because I need the page to be scrolled. If the page to be scrolled, you can see the arrow will come. If the page is not scrolled, the arrow will not come. So for that I've just given, for the dummy purpose, I've given this scroll down. This class is implemented so that the page will be scrolled. So in the down you can see the JavaScript is written. This is the JavaScript for scroll button. Okay, and here I have implemented the HTML with font awesome, like I have shown you how the font awesome file is working. My previous document you can see the font awesome files, how it's implemented. So for the new trend technology, people are not even using the PNG icons, so people are used to with font awesome icons. So if the font awesome icons is there, you can see the arrow will become. Okay, so this is the font awesome icons and this is the class is written, and for orange color and mouse over is black color. You can see in the CSS this is the ID scroll top button, and the same ID is written here scroll top button, and here you can see I mentioned this ID scroll top button, and this is the color. This is the width, height, text element center, position fixed, bottom 30 pixel gap. You can see bottom 30 pixel gap and right side 30 pixel gap. Okay, transition background color and opacity 0. Because the condition is applied opacity 0. You see this is opacity 0, and here you can see the Z index 1000, because sometimes in the HTML sometimes we are giving position relative in the background. Is for the safety purpose we are giving Z index 1000. If you are not giving, it's not having an issue to your website. If it is needed, you can give. I just given a normal functionality, and the outline is 0 because I didn't mention for the A tag outline, so that just for this one, if your Bootstrap page having an outline 0 in your website, so no need this one also. And scroll to top button, hover like mouse over, the black color will come. You can see here this black color is mentioned here, cursor pointer, and click also this color will come. And scroll to top button show means class, the opacity 1 means when you go down is going to show with opacity. You see here the code is written, so button add class, button remove class means more than 300 pixel the button will come, and less than 300 pixels means this height. Okay, less than 300 pixel the button will not come. Okay, now this more than 300 pixel height, so the button will come. So this the condition is written here. If you are in a less than 300 pixel height, the button will not come, and if you are more than 300 pixel, the button will come, the greater than. So this is the conditions, and this is the HTML is working, and you have to give this scroll to top button code after your footer, after you end of your code, so that it will work. And you can give your position in a down, you can give any your relevant icons, image, or left aligned, right aligned, whatever you are thinking to suitable, you can give. Alright guys, now we are going to end up with this video. If you are really enjoyed my tutorial, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon so that whenever I'm uploading the new videos, you will get notified every time. You can follow me with my social media accounts also. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.